Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to sum only the visual cells in Excel, especially when a filter is applied. If you are using the regular sum function, you might not get the result you expect. Let's try it. Now apply a filter to your data and check the results. As you can see, the sum function still include the hidden values. So the total remains unchanged. Now we will use subtotal function type equal subtotal 9 and select your sum range. Here 9 is the function number for summation. Now filter your data to show only specific rows. The subtotal function updates dynamically, summing only the visual cells. It works perfectly. If you found this video is helpful, please share and follow my page.